In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Trailhead account public, allowing your achievements and badges to be visible for others to see. Whether you're an aspiring Salesforce admin or developer, sharing your profile can be a great way to showcase your skills and accomplishments. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Trailhead account. Head over to trailhead.salesforce.com. Here, you'll find the login portal. Enter your credentials. If you do happen to forget your password, there is an option to reset it. Once you're logged in, you should arrive at your Trailhead homepage. This hub houses your learning modules and keeps track of your progress, so it's an excellent resource to visit often. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your avatar there. Clicking on the avatar will open up a drop-down menu. This menu gives you several options from accessing your profile to logging out. For now, our focus will be toggling your privacy settings, but it's good to explore this menu to familiarize yourself with the different features available at your disposal. Once you've clicked on your avatar, the next step is to navigate to the Settings option. Selecting Settings will direct you to another page, which essentially is the control center for your account's preferences. Here, you can adjust various aspects of your account, but today we're zeroing in on the privacy settings. This brings us to the crucial part of our tutorial. Under the Privacy Settings menu, locate the Profile Privacy section. In this section, you'll find an option to choose between keeping your profile private or making it public. By default, your profile may be set to private, meaning only you can view your achievements. To share your accomplishments with the wider world, switch this setting to public. By doing so, employers, colleagues, and other users can view your hard-earned badges and educational progress. Not only does this increase your visibility in the Salesforce community, but it also validates your commitment to learning and development. And there you have it, your Trailhead achievements and badges are now publicly visible. This is a fantastic way to enhance your professional presence within the Salesforce ecosystem, especially useful when connecting with potential employers or showcasing your skills to peers. Remember, keeping your profile public allows others to see your dedication, so take pride in your achievements. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you have any questions or want to learn more tips about using Trailhead, feel free to explore our other tutorials. Use your newfound visibility to foster connections and propel your Salesforce journey to new heights.